As the README file indicates, the next step is to upload our license.xml and recpub.key files to the controller VM. These files are essential for creating a valid Vault image. We'll use the SCP, or Secure Copy Protocol, to transfer the files from our local machine to the controller. The command requires the path to the local file, followed by the username and IP address of the destination and the path where we want to place the files. We'll copy both the license.xml and the recpub.key to the Azure admin user's home directory on the controller. Now that the files are on the controller, let's move them to their final destination. First, we'll verify they've been successfully uploaded to the Azure admin home directory. Next, we'll copy the license.xml and the recpub.key into the keys subdirectory within our installation folder. With these files in place, we are ready to proceed with building our custom Vault image.